Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little Godzilla. So, starting right here, we're going to begin with his eyebrows. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then back up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a big curved line, and I'm going to draw a little circle at top, and then I'm just going to color in the rest of this. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a little line that just goes out and up, kind of out and in. That's going to be his other eyebrow. And then right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to go down and then kind of curve around like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this down and then back up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line for a nose. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then down, and it's going to kind of curve around a little bit for the top of his head. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then kind of curves up a little bit for his mouth. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then kind of curves up like this, making him kind of have like a really fat cheek. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves like this. And then I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw this line. It's just going to go down and kind of curve around like this for his belly. Then starting here, I'm just going to continue this line, and I'm just going to continue this like this, curving. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slowly curve it back, and I'm going to bring it around like this. Then I'm going to draw an extra little line right here. And then right here, I'm going to give him some claws. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down for a little bump. Then I'm going to draw one right here. And then two more. Just like that. Then starting here, I'm going to just draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down some more. And then right here, I'm just going to kind of curve this up a little bit. And then right here, I'm going to make his leg. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then it's just going to kind of curve around here like this. And then it's going to kind of go up and curve back. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up to here. Then for some toes on this, I'm just going to draw a couple little circles like that. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and kind of curves in for his other foot. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and down. And then we're just going to curve this back around like this, give him some little short fat legs. And then I'm going to add two little circles here and then like a little one over here. Next, I'll add a little extra one there. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and that's just going to kind of curve around. And I'm going to draw one little claw here and then three more little ones here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to start here, I'm going to curve it up, make it kind of pointy, and then slowly curve it back. Now, for his little spikes. So we're going to kind of, like I said, this is a cute one, so we want to keep them kind of cute. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a little bumpy line like this with like 3 little bumps. And then I'm just going to make them a little bit bigger as I move down. And then I'm going to keep him kind of short here because his arm's going to be kind of blocking some of them. Make them shorter. And then I'm just going to put a couple little ones right here on his tail. Now, up here by his mouth, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out like this. And then I'm going to kind of put a point on it and curve it back. Then I'm going to make another one here that kind of curves around. And then one more little one that curves out and goes real far out. Then I'm going to bring this back and kind of curve this down and up. And then I'm going to kind of do another little line here. And kind of curve this down and bring it back here like this for like his little fire breath. I'll draw a few little bumps for some teeth. And add a couple little lines on here. And then I'll give him a few little spots just to kind of represent some scales. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, go right to the hand, and then kind of curve down for his belly. And I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.